old and the new land. Maloelele, ko hoku hingoa ko Sisilia. Meet my dad and my mum. They found love in the new land. And then there's me. I'm the oldest of 5 children. I love my family so much. This story is about my dad, my hero Fula Malupo. Dad grew up in Tonga with his nana and papa. They've looked after him since he was a baby. His nana and papa would go to the plantation every day to plant crops. Papa would sometimes go fishing for many hours, and my dad and his nana would wait for him at home, cooking the cassava. Soon it was time for my dad to move to the new land. Dad soon found out that life in the old land was actually simple and peaceful and quiet. He worked and worked and worked. Soon he understood how to survive in the new land, and he didn't want to go back to the old land. The end.